What if $10,000 could flow to you within the next 24 hours, easily, naturally, without strain? This is your moment to open the energetic gates of abundance. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, take a deep breath in through the nose, and exhale fully. You're now entering the frequency of wealth. Inhale deeply again. Feel the air travel through your body like liquid gold. Exhale any resistance, any doubt, any story that says money is hard to get. With every breath, your body softens, your mind clears. You release yesterday. You release the old version of you who had to hustle and wait. Now, only ease remains. You are breathing in prosperity. You are exhaling limitation. Let the rhythm of your breath become slow and steady. Imagine a gentle golden light forming above your head. The energy of infinite abundance. It begins to pour down over you, soothing every cell, reminding you that money is energy, and you are its perfect match. See yourself waking up tomorrow morning. The sunlight hits your face. You reach for your phone or open your laptop, and there it is, the unexpected $10,000. Maybe it's a payment, a refund, a gift, a new client, a deal closed, a prize. It doesn't matter how. What matters is that you feel it. See the number clearly, 1-0-0-0-0-0. See it in your account balance, glowing. Notice your heart race in excitement, not disbelief, but recognition. You always knew money loved you. You always knew wealth comes to you like oxygen. Let yourself smile. Let that relief and joy wash through your entire body. Hold that feeling. It's done. Repeat softly in your mind, letting each statement sink in like truth. I am the kind of person money chases. Money shows up for me in miraculous ways. $10,000 flows to me within 24 hours. It is safe for me to receive big amounts fast. I always have more money than I could ever spend. Wealth is my natural state. I am open, ready, and receptive to limitless financial blessings. Feel the power behind the words. They're not requests, they are declarations. They rewrite the code of your reality. Now, see yourself surrounded by a swirl of golden energy, moving clockwise around you, fast and alive. This is the magnetic field of your new reality. In its center stands you, calm, confident, already wealthy. You no longer chase money. Money follows your energy. Hear the sound of abundance. Cash notifications, laughter, celebration, the sound of opportunity knocking. With every heartbeat, $10,000 moves closer. People are thinking about ways to pay you right now. Emails are being typed. Payments are being processed. The timeline where your desire is already fulfilled is merging with this one. Whisper to yourself, "It's already mine. I can feel it." Take a deep breath in and imagine inhaling that entire $10,000 worth of energy into your chest. Exhale and send gratitude out into the universe. Thank you for the money already received. Thank you for my magnetic energy. Thank you for the proof that I am limitless. You did not attract it. You allowed it. You aligned, and now it's inevitable. See yourself spending a small part of that money joyfully. Sharing, upgrading, celebrating, knowing more is always coming. Now, slowly bring your attention back to your breath. Feel your fingers, your toes. But notice, something inside you has changed. You are no longer hoping for $10,000. You are expecting it because it is already in motion. Smile gently and whisper, "Thank you, thank you, thank you." When you open your eyes, the universe rearranges itself to match the new you, the one who already has it. It is done.